going to do Atari Day. We got a couple new games from Retro Rehome. So we're going to play some Activision, and then we're going to do the Dig Dug comparison between the 2600 and the 7800. Got them in box now.
Yeah.
And what's that other one? China something?
China Syndrome.
China Syndrome. It's supposed to be some movie. He showed us a VCD that he had of that.
Yeah.
I should have got that too. he would have sold it to me.
Yeah. Okay, starting out with River Raid. Oh, I have to... There you go.
Oh.
Good start.
Hey.
Let's feel it. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's a shooter, yeah. It's Activision. I'm not surprised. Yeah. It's like a good
game. It's like Spy Hunter. Oh, I screwed up.
I love collecting for Atari.
Me too.
We still have something build a shelf made for the console.
Yeah.
But we're going to have a lot more space.
Oh, yeah.
Let me... How many reset?
I don't think that's... Ooh. How many guys you get? Oh, that's it. No, that's it.
Okay.
Put in the Barnstormers. I love Barnstormers. Yeah. Doing Activision. Come on, hit it. That's the noise the plate makes. Oh, no, it is Drag Car that does that.
There you go.
Yeah, Barnstormer. Yes.
Ooh, this one's not too bad either.
This is a great game. And you bump the birds in the butt. But this is it. This is, you just do this forever.
Yeah.
I got 2 more to do. 1 more to do.
Showing up pretty good on the phone today.
Yeah, it is. 36, I won.
Okay.
It's just a time trial.
Yeah.
I think you can do other ones.
Yeah.
Next must be good.
Like Spider Fighter.
Damn it. There we go.
Yeah, Spider Fighter is supposed to be good.
It's supposed to be like a Galaga.
Yeah, it's a good. Ooh, the shooting looks good actually. Looks like you get like a decent. Okay, this is a good. This is good. It's the best one so far.
I don't know about that. I like both of those 2 games.
Yeah, they're both really good, but I think that one's the best.
I am just skilled.
River Raid's pretty cool stuff.
Yeah, it is. It is. It's Activision. Ah, come on. Got an extra guy.
Yeah, you get like 4 legs.
Kitty. Kitty. She just likes to play too. See, they're trying to steal the spiders are trying to steal it. What are you doing? I'm kidding. have, which one is it?
China Syndrome.
What's that?
China Syndrome by
Spectre
Spectar Videos. Spectra Video. It's a pretty simple word, actually.
It doesn't look really simple.
See if it works.
Come on! This is an expensive game.
There you go.
Ooh.
We're never gonna be able to play it. I bet it's gonna be something weird that we're not even gonna know what to do. Are you playing?
I've been playing.
You didn't even need to reset. Oh, so I guess you change color and you gotta get. That's kind of weird.
The color, it's like
Yeah,
it's like
they didn't even bother to like.
Yeah.
It's just you can see the color pop up on the.
It's like Space Invaders back in the day when they just painted the screen.
Yeah, they couldn't even color the actual game. I don't get the point of the colors.
You're filling up the thing on the bottom. You have a timer. You gotta get so many of them.
I know, but what do the colors do? You're
I don't
going like
know.
up and down. Like I don't get the.
Well,
colors.
there's 3 meters. So. Are you in space or something?
I'm assuming it's. Oh, I don't know. It's China Syndrome. I don't know. I don't know why it's called China Syndrome. I don't see why.
Does that kill you?
It looks like you just died.
Looks like I just died.
Yeah, you're back to normal. You have to.
This is kind of boring.
You want to start? Let me get.
Yeah, get Dig Dogs ready. Do 2600 first.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Come on! Get back here.
I think next time we go, we gotta get Joust.
Oh, I love
He's been on 7800.
it.
Yeah, he had a complete box there on the 7800.
I'm the only one that buys this stuff anyways.
Yeah, you are. You really are. Especially like 7800 of those.
Yeah.
Like, how many people actually
Yeah.
have one of these?
Yeah. Oh no. 2 now.
You just get more bombs you have to avoid.
It's timed, and the balls don't go out of their colors.
Yeah.
And if the timer goes off, they multiply.
I still don't know why it's called China Syndrome.
Isn't that a virus?
Yeah.
So you're trying
There's
to
a virus?
you're trying
There's a
to kill
virus called China Syndrome?
Yes! it's like COVID.
Oh my god.
Wait, did I say that out loud? It's probably going to be demonetized.
Yeah, that word does get you demonetized. Cut that out.
Get back here. Okay, we ready? We doing Dig
Yeah.
Dogs? This is boring.
Okay, so I'm gonna just leave this on so we don't get the static for a
Okay.
second. We're
This
gonna
is
do
2600
we're gonna do Dig Dug on the 2600 first, and then we're gonna
on the
7800.
7800 count.
Yeah. No, it's not. There you go.
You play.
I suck at Dig Dug.
So what?
Mom, you wanna play? You like Dig Dug, right? Here. You use the B button.
To pump here.
Here, I'll move. There you go.
Dig Dug is so different on 7800.
I didn't know they
Yeah,
had it.
7800, the cards are all great.
I didn't know they had it in Atari because I thought it was Nintendo, was it?
No, Dig Dug's Atari. Dig Dug. Oh my god. I sound like I'm having a
You smell toast?
Dig Dug is a Namco
Oh.
product. So like Pac-Man, that's the
Namco Classics.
Yeah.
For some reason, I thought I remember playing it on.
Dig Dug
Namco
2.
Classics.
Dig Dug 2 is on the NES, on Nintendo. They were on.
So are the Namco Classics.
Yeah. Like Galaga.
I had the 5200 one. It
Yeah.
was awesome.
The gotta get that box. We gotta get 5200. Then we'll have.
I wonder. It'd be good to see the difference.
It's probably gonna look.
If 7800 looks like 5200.
To be honest, this is actually pretty good.
It
For
is.
2600, I'd be happy with this as a kid because it's pretty close to the arcade. Like
I would be saying this is just like the arcade when I was a kid.
Well, it's pretty
Technology
close.
was so new.
The gameplay is pretty similar. Like you're lucky about that. Most of the time.
I spent hours playing this on 5200.
Yeah. Did you die? Or are you still going?
It got away.
Okay, you gotta clear at least one board before we.
She already did.
You did? Oh.
This is the second board.
Okay.
Let her switch colors on this.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
Yes, it does. The brown switches colors.
Does it?
You haven't played long enough to have it switch
I don't play
colors?
that. We only have the 2600 version. We only used to have that version. Am I gonna play that?
We have Namco Classics.
Oh yeah, I do have Dig Dug on one of my Namco museums. I think it's on the collections I have. But yeah, we should definitely get when we have money again. We should definitely get an arcade stick for the 7800. Like a nice one, like $100 one that's like nice. Because it'd be worth it. 7800 has great games.
We get one for the Atari in general.
Yeah, well,
they use it for Coleco.
Well, if we get one for 7800, then it'll work with 2600 games. Then it'll probably work with Coleco too, because they're the same kind of layout. Because you need one, you need to make sure it's specifically for 7800 because it needs 2 buttons. Because 7800 controller, like that controller doesn't work fully, so some games won't even work for us because you need the.
I got smushed by a rock.
Okay.
Let it get a game over.
Okay.
See the color change.
Yeah. Oh wow.
See, oh wow.
Wouldn't you rather spend more time on like a good version?
Yeah, but you're not even 10 minutes in.
Yeah. I think 1987. 7800 was out after the NES. It was pretty good competitor, honestly. If the controller was good. If the controller was better.
As good as the NES. It's just that they had bad stain because of
Was it 5200?
No, 5200 was overpriced. The 2600 killed 5200, and then they tried to come back with 7800. And their thought was, well, if we let people play 2600 as well, then they can,
Yeah. Okay, you ready for the?
Yeah.
We're gonna be doing the 7800 version next.
Oh yeah, it's the right guy and everything.
There you go. Oh yeah, look at
but
this.
I think 5200 was better.
I don't think it is. 5200 isn't as well. Are you sure you didn't have a 7800 as a kid?
No,
Did you have a friend that had a 7800?
no. My friend had a Coleco with this game.
We gotta get this game completely box completely.
Used to be able to start to pump one up and then stop and pump another one up.
Oh, but
And then the flowers, yep, and then you get the sunflower. Couldn't get my
so Dig Dug did come out. Did it only come out in Japan?
In the arcades.
Dig Dug was never actually published on the ColecoVision. It was like developed but never published. You can get like new cartridges of it that people have made with the actual version.
It wasn't Coleco.
Yeah.
It had to be 5200. They played it for a lot of games.
Oh, what else is 5200? Let me look up what the 5200 one looks like. You done? Okay. Well,
Because that's that.
what was it? 7800 version's definitely better,
Yeah.
but it's not
It's
drastically
still
better.
good. No, it's
Like
it's
the 20,
good for 2600.
the 2600 version
It's good.
is very good. If you only have 2600, I'd recommend getting Dig Dug. It's probably one of the better games on the console.
Yeah, I agree. Pitfall and Big Dog.
Yeah, Pitfall, Dig Dug, Kung Fu Master.
Anything Activision. You're
Yeah,
good.
literally anything Activision. There's not very many bad Activision games. What is it? Bye.
You want to see